Hey everyone, I am Abhi and welcome back to my channel Cool Day Abhi. Today we are going to dive into how to set up your React environment and create your very first React project. Let's jump right in. First thing, let's check if you have Node.js installed on your computer. Open your command prompt and type this command node-b. As you can see, I have already installed Node version 18.19.1. If you see a version number like this, you are good to go. If not, no worries. Just head over to this official website of Node.js at nodejs.org and install the latest version from there. Next up, let's create a folder where you want to keep your project. Now you can name it something like React projects. Just make sure it's a spot you can easily find. Now go ahead and open your command prompt in that folder. Now here the fun part is in the command prompt type this command to create your first React project name my test app. For that you will need to enter npx create react app and here it should be your react app name, like I am just keeping here my test app. Hit enter and this will set everything up and install all the necessary package. It will might take a little time, so grab a snack or just hang tight. Once everything is done, navigate into your project folder by typing cd your app name. Here is my test app and hit enter. Awesome. Now let's open this project in Visual Studio Code. For that, just type code space dot. This command open the current folder in Visual Studio Code. Now you will be all set up to start coding. Now that you have your project open, now you can also open the built-in terminal in VS Code. For that, just go to the top menu, click on terminal and then select new terminal. To run your app, type this command in the terminal npm start, just like that. A browser will pop up and you will see your brand new React app. Now let's take a quick look up at the folder structure. You will see several folder and files here. The src folder is where the magic happens. This is where you will do most of your coding. Inside it, there the app.js file, which is the main component of your app. Okay, time to get creative now. Open the app.js file and let's change thing up a bit. You can modify text inside the h1 tag to say something like welcome to my first React app. After you save your changes, the browser will automatically refresh and show your updates. Pretty awesome, right? Remember, this is the remember with time and practice, you will build a better understanding of React. So keep experimenting and practicing. And that's it for today. You have set up your React environment and created your first React project. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, keep showing love by subscribing, like and leaving a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.